So we are back with another video, and I am doing an install on my client. Now as you can see, my client has very thick, healthy, trimmed hair, and she wanted to do something different, something fun for her birthday, and that I am going to deliver. So I'm just going to be braiding her hair straight back, maybe about 8 braids. I'm telling you, her hair is so thick and full and healthy. I loved it, loved it, loved it, lived it. And as you can see, she's have her edges and everything. So when placing on a wig, you want to make sure your hair is moisturized underneath, because without any moisture, your hair can get very damaged and very dry, and due to that, it will cause breakage. So let me get into this slate now. I'm gonna slow it down. So I'm gonna be using the bowl hole glue, and this I will be applying in front of her hairline. Not on the hairline, not on her edges, not on them baby hairs of hers, but in front of it. This way, when she takes it off, it is still intact. Her edges is still there, because wigs are supposed to be a protective hairstyle and not a edgeless hairstyle, okay? So, and I do want to say that I love when clients want to step out of the box and do something fun with their hair and kind of challenge me, because I am tired of doing the natural black or jet black hair colors. I am tired of it. Like, challenge me now, okay? So once that adhesive is now dry and tacky, I am going to place that lace on top of it, and this will be called the melting process, the meltdown. And I'm just gonna be, smudging it in so that that lace and that adhesive can now blend into one another. Okay, so the meltdown is in full effect, baby. So I'm going to be using my slick stick from Tiana Blanco. And this is going to help slick down that hair and just give it that nice sleek finish. So I'm using that with a hot comb as well. The two work together and it's a miracle, okay? It's like create magic. So as you can see, that wig is starting to now form. That hair is starting to lay flat and give it more of a sleek look. Yup, that's from my brand, y'all. So go and cop you one if you haven't already. And if you did, get another. They're affordable. So next, I'm just going to be creating some layers, being that this wig is not so full in density. When you create some layers, it will give it that more full effect, I should say. Now, if you guys are interested in a video in how to create layers, let me know in the comments, okay? Talk to me. Talk to me. So I went with a little bit of baby hairs, not over the top baby hairs, because I just don't like over the top baby hairs, especially being that the wig itself is already over the top. So less is better. To get that molded baby hairs and your baby hairs intact, I am taking my curl whip from my brand, and I'm gonna list it down below. And I am now gonna start swirling and swirling. Just swirl and go. Just swirl it and go. I said just swirl it. So, the slick stick and the curl whip comes as a bundle deal for $20. So, go and get you some, okay? Help with the meltdown. Help with the process.